Hi, Happy New Year and I hope you're going to do amazing this year. So चलिए एक नए टॉपिक के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं. टॉपिक नया, अंदाज वही पुराना. तो आज हम बात करेंगे एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक विच इज डैशबोर्ड. तो अभी तक हमारे इस चैनल में एक्सेल से रिलेटेड बहुत सारे डैशबोर्ड्स कवर किए हैं, बट आज कुछ नया करते हैं. आज हम बात करेंगे किस तरीके से एक इंटरैक्टिव डैशबोर्ड हम पावर पॉइंट में क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. यस, तो फ्यू डेज बैक मेरा एक कॉर्पोरेट सेशन था और मैंने यही टॉपिक वहां पर कवर किया था, दैट हाउ टू क्रिएट एन इंटरैक्टिव डैशबोर्ड यूजिंग एक्सेल, नो, यूजिंग पावर पॉइंट. तो चलिए उस सेशन को या उस टॉपिक को, उस डैशबोर्ड क्रिएशन को एक बार फिर कवर करते हैं विथ यू ऑल. एंड आई एम श्योर when you are going to implement this dashboard in your office, you are going to make your boss your fan. तो चलिए और डिले ना करते हुए स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड लेट अस सी स्टेप बाय स्टेप हाउ टू क्रिएट एन इंटरैक्टिव एंड अमेजिंग डैशबोर्ड इन PowerPoint. Create an interactive dashboard in PowerPoint. Wow. So that interactive and dashboard is very popular term whenever we talk about any industry, be it with sales, marketing, finance, and the PowerPoint is one of the most important, most advanced, most powerful, most flexible tool whenever we talk about any business presentation. And this PowerPoint is used in almost 95 of the percent of the companies. Now, today we are going to see that how to showcase our chart, our dashboard in PowerPoint. So normally when we talk about presenting any chart, any dashboard in PowerPoint, so normally what we do, we paste the chart in PowerPoint taking from Excel, and when normally what we do, we present it to the management. But that is the old process, that is the traditional process, that is the conventional process, and that is the outdated process nowadays. What we can do, we can create an amazing interactive dashboard in PowerPoint with very simple steps. So whenever we talk about any dashboard, an interactive dashboard, so it can be of any data. We can showcase the team performance, sales performance, regional wise scores, KPI performance, or any chart that we have created. We can transform to the PowerPoint and we can create an amazing presentation. Today, we are majorly focused not into the dashboard part particularly. We will focus into the look and feel part of the PowerPoint. Means the chart that we have already created, that boring one, we can transform that into the amazing interactive dashboard in PowerPoint. Now, the systems, obviously, the systems that we are going to use is chart, and that is the part of PowerPoint. So, whenever we talk about the presentation part, as I said, that PowerPoint is one of the most important applications. So, we'll do nothing of Excel. We are going to use the Microsoft PowerPoint, where there are multiple things in PowerPoint, multiple innovative things in PowerPoint. We are going to use few of them: chart, shape, transition, hyperlink, and eyedropper. So these are the core things that we are going to use. But apart from this, might we were going to use some small things. Now the implementation part is very easy. We have divided into multiple steps or sub steps. So let us see it practically and let us see how to transform a boring chart in PowerPoint to an interactive dashboard. Let us see. Now this is sales performance for our team from January to April. So this is the simple PowerPoint presentation that contains one header and one chart. So this is the chart. If you can go with the chart, so these are the data that we have taken from Excel. So simply this is the chart. This is the dashboard as of now that people has created. So what we have to do, we have to transform this into beautiful dashboard. Let me show you. Now, as you can see in the data, we have multiple employees: Sweta, Rajiv, Manish, Sachin, Ritu, Amit, and we have some sales figure out of 100, let's say, performance. And these are the month: January, February, March, April. Now we have to transform this. See, as of now, if I'm going to present this PowerPoint, let me go into this one. So what will happen? I'll be getting something like this. So this is the boring one. This is the traditional one. As I said, I have to transform this into an amazing one. So let us see some simple steps to convert this into a beautiful presentation right now. So what I'll do, let us first duplicate this, duplicate slide. I'll keep the original as it is because if something wrong happens, so I can pick the original data from this one. Now this is my duplicate one. What I'll do, I'll just give each slide a single month. Means I wanted to see for Jan or Feb or March or April. So let us go with this one. So as this is a chart, so what I'll do, I'll just select this, go into the filter one, and let us select only the January part. So let us remove Feb, March, April. Let us go with the January. So this is my January part. I can remove this Jan. So this is my Jan, and we'll take it later on that which month is this one. So this is the Jan. Let us right click, duplicate this again. Now what I'll do, I'll go with the filter one again. And I'll pick the Feb. Sorry. Just hold on. It's updating something. So I'll go with the Feb. Let us remove the Jan. And let us go with the apply. So this is my Feb. Perfect. Let us right click, duplicate again. Let us go with the filter. Let us go with the March right now and remove the Feb. Apply. And let us go with the duplicate again. And this one, April. So let us go with April. Apply. So I have created 4 different slides or duplicated 4 different slides for 4 different months. Now, let us see the next step. We have this Jan, Feb, March, April. If required, you can transform the look and feel of each of this slide, but make it in a single uniform format, right? Consistency must be there in this one. So let us go with this. Let us right click, or let us, yes, go with the right click, format data series. You can go with the gap width as 50%, something like this. Right click, format data series 50. Right click, 50. This one. So we have this Jan, Feb, March, and April. Now what I'll do, I'll just go with insert, and let us insert a shape right now. So let us go with the shape and let us create a left bar, something like this. Remove the outline, no outline, right? And just make it little thinner. Now what I'll do, I'll just make it as the same color as the color of the bar. So I'll select, go with this one. I'll just go to the fill one, and it's showing eyedropper. Now I can pick the same color like this. So this is my color. So this is blue. I'll just copy, Control C, go with this one, Control V. Now only change the color, nothing else. Eyedropper, Go with this one. Control V, eyedropper, go to this. And this one, Control V, eyedropper, and let us go with this one. So as of now, Jan, Feb, March, and April. So we have created this one. Now we have to create a navigation button from different months to different months. So let us see what I'll do. I'll go with the first slide, this one. Let us delete this. Let us keep it in this format first. Right. Team. Now what I'll do, I'll just insert 4 months. So Jan, Feb, March, April. So insert, let us go with the shape again. Let us go with the rounded corners. Let us go with the shape effect preset. Let us go something like this. Some look and feel like a button, preset 3. Now let us go with the same color. So shape fill, eyedropper, or I can pick this one, the same one, Jan. So let us write Jan. Let us go with this and pick the same font that we have right now, Jan. Let us go with the bold, Jan. Let us duplicate, Control D. Wave, Control D. March, Control D. APR, right? So let us go with this. Select this one, go to save format. Let us go with the aligned. Let us align into the top like this. And let us distribute the gap horizontally, something like this. So this is showing January, February, March, April. What I can do, I can reduce if required. And let us adjust the gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us go with save format, align, distribute horizontally like this. So January, February, March, April. So I think the gap is smaller right now. So let us increase the gap. So this. Go to this one, distribute horizontally. Perfect. Now let us change the color of this. So January is blue. Let us go with the February. Let us change the color to orange. March, this is the green one. Which green? Let us see which green. So I'll go into this one. Let us go to this. Let us see which green is this one. So this is the second green like this. So what I'll do, I'll go with this. Go with this one, this green. And April is the purple. So this is January, February, March, April. Now, what I have to do, I have to just go to this and link it to different sheets. January, February, March, April. So let us go with this one. Press Control K for linking. Now let us go with place in this document. Now this one. This is my first, this Jan. So let us click on OK. Got it. Let us go with the Feb. Control K. Let us go with this one. Let us go with this one. Control K. March. and let us go with the this control K. Now, once we have done this, what I'll do, let us first go to different slide and let us just go to the left alignment that we have done, because the position should be the same in all the slides, right? Like this one. Now in this one, I have removed the team and I have given one space, right? Or let us remove, after the team, let us remove the data. So let us go with this one. Let us go with this. So this, let us go with this, and let us go with this. So I've removed the data, means the header from each of these. Now what I'll do, I'll just select this, sorry, already hyperlink is happening there. Select this and this. I'm pressing the shift button, control C. Let us go to this, control V. Let us go to this, control V. The same position. Go to this, control V. Now let us check it out. See, in the same position, the data is there in each of these seat. Now we have done almost for 50-60% of the task. Let us see what's happening right now. So Jan, Feb, March, April. See, the look, everything is on symmetry. March, Feb, Jan, Feb, March, April. March, Feb, Jan. Now we have to give some transitional effect, right? So that it goes smoothly. So what I'll do, I'll just select sorry, this, this, and this. Let us go with the transition right now. And in the transition, we'll see the small one. This is the fade one, the simple one, fade. Simple. Now let us check it out. Not, this was the original one. We'll remove that later on. See, this is the first. Let us go with the Jan, Feb. Wow. March, April. March, Feb, Jan. So the animation is quite happening smoothly. So March, April. And see, this is the bar which is playing an amazing look and feel. So Jan, the blue part, Feb, March, and April. Now let us move into the next part of this dashboard. At any point of time, if I wanted to see the data for all the employees or all the months especially, so what I have to do, let us go with and press a new slide, right? Let us go with the blank one. So let us go with layout. Let us go with the blank. Now what I have to do, I have to just go with the first one, copy. Let us go into this one, right click, paste as picture. This one. This. Let us go into this one, copy. Or what we can do, let us go with something different here. So let us delete this one first. Let us go to this or duplicate this one as of now. As of now, let us duplicate this and let us remove this part. This one. So sales performance for our team for Jan. So right click, copy. Now let us move into right click, this one as picture. So this is for Jan. I'll delete this one. Let us duplicate this again. Let us remove for Feb. Center. So right click, copy. Let us go into this one, picture. Right. So let us delete. Let us go into this one, right click, duplicate slide. Let us go with this, this. Delete for March. And let us go with the center. Right click, copy. Let us go into this one, image. And let us delete this one. Now the last one, I'll repeat the same process, duplicate slide. Let us go to this, this. Delete for April, center alignment. Right click, copy, and let us go into this one. Now I have created 4 different images of 4 different slides. So let us delete this one. Now to be on the better side, what I'll do, I'll go with the picture format and let us add a border. Simple black border. This one, border. This border and this border. So it will be giving like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us reduce the size to little one. This one, something like this. Perfect. Or let us reduce it again. Some. Let us Control G, group. What I'll do, picture format. Let us align center and align middle. I'll go with this. Control Shift G to ungroup. Now I'll select this and this. Let us bring it into the, so that it should have the same type of gap, vertically and horizontally both, like this. Now let us go with Control A again, Control G. Now let us make it center again. Align center and align middle, like this. Right. Now, what I'll do, I'll just select this again, Control Shift G to ungroup. Now I have to go to individual slides, and from individual slide, I can go with the overall. Now let us go with insert. Let us go with the shape. Let us go with this shape again. Let us write overall here. Let us do like this and go with the shape format, shape effects, go with the same look and feel. And let us go with something different color. This is overall. Control K for linking. Now let us go with the last slide, which is this one, slide 6. Click on OK. Now what I'll do, Control C. Let us go to this one, Control V, and Control V. Sorry, go to this one, Control V. Now from this one, I can again move to the individual slide. So I'll just select this image, the first one, Control K. Let us go with this. Select Control K, go with this one. Control K, green, and Control K, this one. See what happening right now. Let us go to the first slide, which was the original one. And in this one also, sixth one also, the animation is not added. So I'll go with the transition and let us go with the fade one. Now this is added. Let us go with the original one, which was having earlier. This was the original. Now from here, the amazing part start. Let us go with the Jan, Feb, March, April. At any point of time, if I wanted to go to overall, let us go to overall. Let us go to the this part again. So March, Feb, Jan, overall. Now at this point of time, the challenging part is that I can manually go to previous and next slide. So if you wanted to keep it like this, that anybody can click the button and they can go into the next slide like this without clicking on the button. So this is also possible. And if you want to restrict that, no, I wanted to allow everything from a button only. So I'll be giving you an amazing option where we can transform this into a software. Let me show you how to transform this into a software. So let us go Feb, March, April, overall. And from this also I can click and I can go into any slide. Now, as of now, as I said that this PowerPoint presentation will work normally also without the click of any button. So if you want to keep this, leave it as it is. But if you wanted to transform this into an amazing software like look, so I'll be sharing you one different perspective. So what I'll do, let us first save this presentation because I don't wanted to do anything into the original one. So I'll save this presentation in a different file name where I'll remove this one. So let us first file, save as. Let us go into the desktop first. Desktop, and let us create a folder which is the sales performance dashboard. I've created one folder. Under this, let us go with this one, sales performance dashboard. So save. Now let us remove the first one. So this, let us save. So this. Now, as of now, it will work as normal. So I can click on any button and I can even go with the previous and next button. It is automatically working. But now the task is to go with the software look. Before that, what I'll do, I'll go with the slide show. I'll go with the setup show. Now here there is an option browsed at kiosk full screen. I'll click on this one. Click on OK. This will disable the manual interaction. Previous, next, it would be automatically disabled. So ensure that only use this option when you have a proper linking from one slide to another slide. So then only use this option. So this option is from slideshow and setup show. Browsed at kiosk full screen. Click on OK. Now let us what happens right now. See, I cannot go with previous and next button. No, this is disabled. I am clicking, but nothing is happening. I can go directly with Jan, Feb, March, April, overview, and I can click on this one. So this is working like a simple presentation, but now previous and next button is disabled, right? But now the next level, if you wanted to go into the next level and create a software like look so that your manager opens and automatically the presentation does not open, it opens the dashboard. So for that, I'll go with the file, again go with the save as. Let us go with the same folder right now, browse, go with the desktop. Let us go with the sales performance dashboard. This was my original data that I'm working on. What I'll do, save as type. I'll change the type. Now, instead of PowerPoint presentation, I'll go with this one, PowerPoint show. This one. Click on save. Perfect. Now let us what happens right now. Let us see. See. So we have the PowerPoint slide show and we have the PowerPoint presentation. Now this is my final output. Let me show you what will happen. But before that, let me close my file, that presentation file. So I'm going to close this file. Let us save this and close this file. Now let us open this. This is my presentation and this is my slideshow. Let us open this and let us see the magic which we have created. Double click. Now see what happens. Wow. Now only I am getting the dashboard, nothing else. So Jan, Feb, March, April. Let us go with the overall. Let us click on anything. So everything is linked with each other. Wow. Now whenever I am going to escape or close, so automatically it will close the software, means it will close my presentation. Nothing will happen. So I have the main copy, which is my presentation. If I'm going to double click and open, so I'll be opening my presentation. So this is, let's say this is my draft version. Now the final version, that is in this one. Wow. Wow. Now one thing I wanted to add into this one, let us go with something different. Let us see. Let us see what I can do. Add more thing here. Let us go with the sales performance dashboard, the original one. Let us insert. Let us go with the icons. Let us insert one icon here. Close. Yeah, let us write cross. This one. Insert. Let us put it here. However, you can put it anywhere right now. Let us see where I can put it. Or let us, because in the top it will create a distraction. Let us keep it simple here. Let us go with and take the red one. Control K. No, it will not work. Let us go with the review. Let us go with the insert. Let us see what happens, what I can do. Let in this one, we'll have something. This is object. This is this one. This is this one. Action. Let us go with the action. Now, hyperlink to end show. So I'll click on end show. Click on OK. Now Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, and Control V, like this. So let us see what is going to happen right now. Control S. Now I'll go with the file. Let us go with the save as again. Let us go with the browse, and I'll replace this with this one, the PowerPoint show. Now, whenever I'm going to click on this one, it will show that the file is already exist. Let me go with this one. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Let us replace. Let us close this and let us see the magic again. Now, this is my new file, which I have created right now. So let us refresh. Now let us go in this one. So this is my new file. I can do as it is. Now let us go into the March one. Let us click on this. Wow. So you don't have to press the escape button also. Anybody can go move out of this software. Let us go with the overview. Cross. Cross. Done. Let us see it again. Let us go with the overall. Done. So this is how you can create an amazing software like interactive dashboard in PowerPoint. Wow. So friends, कैसा लगा ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप वेरी इजी बट इंटरेक्टिव ट्यूटोरियल इन पावरपॉइंट एंड हाउ टू क्रिएट दिस अमेजिंग डैशबोर्ड। तो अब करना क्या है, जल्दी से ऑफिस में इसी सेम डैशबोर्ड को इंप्लीमेंट करना है एंड आई एम श्योर जैसे मैंने बताया था योर बॉस विल बिकम योर फैन। सो ट्यूटोरियल कैसा लगा कमेंट में जरूर बताइएगा और आपने किस डेटा में इसको इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे, जस्ट शेयर योर ओपिनियन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। नाउ यू कैन डाउनलोड दिस फाइल फ्रॉम द लिंक गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। बहुत ही जल्द मिलते हैं एक नए ट्यूटोरियल के साथ, एक नए एक्साइटमेंट के साथ और नए एनर्जी के साथ। टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय एंड हैव ए ग्रेट डे। दिस इज विवेकानंद सिन्हा साइनिंग ऑफ।